Welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Waqas Qureshi, and I'm a clinical assistant professor at University of Massachusetts. I have written several hundreds of research papers on healthcare conditions, and on this channel, I'll be sharing that with you. I'll be sharing the natural as well as the medical remedies of common healthcare conditions. If you or your loved one has some form of healthcare condition, please comment below as well as introduce yourself so that I can learn more about you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get smarter and healthier.